Hey friends, Catherine here, putting together a pop-up card today. I showed you the coloring of this donut pop-up for this card just yesterday. And now we're going to be assembling the card. For this, we've got this donut shape. We've got these little tab bits at the side. And the first thing that we're going to do is fold the donut in half. Making those little tab bits meet each other. All right, so that donut is in half or close enough to it. Then we're going to fold the tabs forward and upward a little bit. Let's see. There we go. Okay. And that's what we're going to have put together for our pop-up. Now I've got this card blank here. It's got a center here, and then the donut will go right here, and we'll open up, and from lying flat we'll open up and pop out, hopefully, if everything works. So to center it in, what we're going to do is put a bit of glue on those tabs that we left on and set aside for exactly this purpose. And then line it up close to, but not exactly at, the back and the spine of the card, and leaning out a bit. So we've got that there, and then we're just going to take and close the card. Once that glue sets, we should be able to open it up, and the donut will pop out. Now if we want it to pop out further, we're going to want to move it further forward. So let's go ahead and, before that glue sets, shift our donut forward a bit. If you have like a temporary glue, you could use that for this. Like a nice double-sided tape or something, that would work really well for positioning. And then there we have it. So when we opened it up, the donut pops out. That's perfect. Now I want to decorate the front of this card. I've got some die cuts that I did, and you'll see a video later on me doing those die cuts. I did them from a new machine that I just got, and I'm very excited about it, if you can't tell. And I've got some die cuts here that came in a happy mail from a friend the other day. So we are going to set up a background for the cover of this card. I think I like kind of circles around here, and then maybe this square down here. Maybe this should go sort of center. Let's play with it a bit and figure out. Ooh, I kind of like that. Like the square showing out through the middle of that circle. I don't have anything cut out that says happy birthday or anything. So I might just not put any sentiment on the front of the card and just have it be shapes and flowers. That might end up being the direction that I go with this, but we shall see. I've got a lot of shapes here. I don't need to use them all. And actually, I kind of like that arrangement just as it is. So let's figure out that one's in the back. So we will start with that one and then work our way forward. Grab our trusty glue and glue all the back of it. And stick it down. Let's see, it was kind of up and down like that. Maybe, sort of. It'll work out. And then the next layer, and stick it down, and we wanted the square to show through the middle of that circle. I think we decided we liked. I'm saying we as though you guys had any say in it. I mean, of course you did. I can hear you through the computer screen. I'm sure you're shouting at me ways that I could make it better, but I'm not listening. There we are. You're probably shouting at me to cut out a sentiment and stick it on here, and I might end up putting one down in this corner later. We'll see. And then I think it was this circle. Down here, sort of. There we go. And then maybe like, I think it was this square up in this corner. Yeah. Yep. I like that. There we go. All right, so I've got the two flowers positioned the way that I like them. And now I want to put on this vine looking bit. I really like it, and I think I want it to go across that way, but I also think I kind of want it to tuck under there, and I don't think if I left enough room underneath it, yeah, I can get it tucked underneath there. All right, so this is going to be kind of interesting for gluing. We'll just kind of hit the leaves and see how we go from there. Making sure to get each of the branches so that everything ends up being stuck down, hopefully. Okay. All right. Now it's at least stuck to me, if not the card. Okay. There we go. And stick down. And there we have it. A sort of busy, abstract, circles and squares, but flowers and leaves card. Not too bad for my sister for her birthday. And I might just put, like right down here, HB. That could be good. Just downplaying it. And then she won't even know what hits her when she opens it up and sees a pop-up donut. The outside and the inside are incongruous with each other, and I like it that way. Anyway, if you guys like this too, definitely let me know. You can leave a comment down below, and I'd be happy to hear from you. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. Bye!